Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use JavaFX 11 uh, in IntelliJ IDEA. So, in this website you can download the right version for your operation system. In my case, I will download this version because I am using Windows. Uh, After download, let's unzip. Uh, this folder you can put wherever you want. In my case, I will put in documents folder. Mm. So now let's go to IntelliJ. Let's go to configure, projects defaults, project structure. Uh, let's go to global libraries. Let's add Java, and now let's find the JavaFX 11 folder. In my case, uh, JavaFX and lib. Let's select this subfolder um, and let's select these files. That's OK, and I will call JavaFX 11. Apply. OK, and now let's create a new project. Let's select JDK 11 JavaFX, and I will call JavaFX. So now let's go to File, Project Structure. Let's select 11. Uh, let's go to Global Libraries. Right click here and add to models. Okay. Uh, let's apply and okay again. So now let's let's go to source package, right click, new, and let's create a new model file. Uh, Here, let's type some code. So if you run this, JavaFX 11 is working in IntelliJ. So thank you for watching.